Hi, Rebecca Lee here, teaching people how to detox from heavy metals without getting hurt. So, chelation is a bit of a roller coaster ride. Symptoms come, then they disappear, then they come back, then they disappear again. Slowly, they start showing up less and less until they are gone. If you are like most people, you forget about them, so keep a journal. When you're toxic, you may work on a symptom and make it go away. Yay, I healed my gut, but it is like guacamole or guacamole. The damn stuff is lurking around in your body and it wants to mess you up. Knock down one symptom and something else will crop up. Some other of the 250 different things this stuff causes. You'll work on that, make some progress, and then damn, your gut issues will come back. When you're detoxed, you'll have successfully chelated mercury out of your organs and brain and hormone producing glands where it really likes to reside. It's not as though you will never have anything go wrong. You will, of course, because you're a human being and mortal. But when your body doesn't have to be working around this toxicity all the time, you can fix things and they'll stay fixed. The things you do for your health will stick. For step by step instructions on how to chelate, buy the book, The Mercury Detoxification Manual, or make an appointment with me and I'll walk you through it. So please like and share this information. Thank you.